let's do an unboxing of this package from Weavers. Actually, matagal na to. Ngayon ko lang siya binuksan. So these are Elle magazines. Oh, JK. Wow. Okay. Let's see what's inside. So, I'm so excited also for the coming comeback live because I won. I'm so grateful. I won. Be able to see them live. Ang ganda ng shots. Meet me in Paris. Most romantic city in the world. Ang ganda ng shots. Pero in Korean yung caption. Ang ganda. Grabe. Grabing Jonah na. Ang galing. Ito yung photographer nito. So this one is for Chanel. So I think that's why nagpapayat din siya ng guy. Because after military, medyo bulky sila eh. And then, pumayat siya ng sobra. I guess because of this partnership with Chanel. So excited also because we also got tickets for Goyang and also for LA. Super swerte lang din na yung mga army friends ko nakakuha for us for LA. Kasi kamusta naman ang internet ko? 20 Mbps. Ang cute ng Smiley JK dito. Ang cute niya. Yun, so wala akong luck. Pero buti na lang sila meron. So, nakakuha kami ng tickets for us. Shout out to Tiffany and Flas for getting us tickets to LA. And Joy also. And thank you rin kay Angel. Naghanap ng better seats for September 1 concert because birthday yun. It's JK, my bias. Yun ang next goal ko. Makabili ng Chanel na pabango. Ngayon, priority muna ay ang concert tickets. Ayan. Ganda, ang dami. Parang portfolio na niya. Grabe ang likod, oh. Broad shoulders. Pero dito, ang cute niya. Ang neck. Love the shots. Ganda. So, sabi nila, hanbok daw yung susot for the concert. So, I'm also trying to prepare for that. Oh, grabe. I'm so excited for the album. Diba? I'm sure we all are excited for the new songs. What is your love song? Ang dami kong entry sa stories ko yung what is your love songs. Meron akong BTS, And then, merong non-BTS songs. As well as OPM entries. Grabe. And yun lang. Korean yung interview. And caption. Translate na lang natin. Anong feeling pag ganyan ang katabi mo pagising sa umaga? Char. So freaking handsome. A new journey begins. A new journey begins. Feeling ko ang bango-bango ni Jungkook. Yung kahit di siya magpabango, mabango pa rin siya. Ganun. Tsaka kahit na siguro pinapawisan siya, mabango pa rin siya. Ito yung ibang cover. Yan kapag parehas lang sa loob. Yeah, parehas lang yung shots sa loob. Kita ko lang lahat ng covers. Ang ganda. Ang pogi niya. May padibdib. May padibdib siya. Oh my gosh. Cute. Sige, pili tayong top 3. Parang ito. Ito, gusto ko rin ito. And yung parang mas gusto ko itong nasa bathtub siya. Pero maganda rin itong close-up. Top 5 na lang. Ang hirap pumili. Sige. So, in fifth place. Wait. Ito na lang siguro. So, fifth place yung unang pinakita ko. 5. And then, ito na lang. 4. Ganda ng shot ng sa bathtub siya. Black and white. And then, ito, yung padibdib niya. 3. Yung close up. 2. Ito yung tattoo niya. And then, may top 1 is this. Gusto ko yung pagkaayos ng hair niya. And, wala, parang innocente look lang. Na, nang siseduce pa din. Charot. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Yay. Like, and subscribe sa TikTok and YouTube channels. Annyeong. Bye from JK and I.